Albuquerque, it just has this like love for art, visual art, things that are tactile, jewelry, pottery, painting, and there's just this overarching love of art. And then I think what happens is that it also then trickles to performance art. And it has that same level of like care that's given to it as far as like performance art. It is a piece of art that we will all experience one time and never again. My name is Doug Montoya. I'm founder of Cardboard Playhouse Theatre Company and co-artistic director. And we've been doing this for about 20 years. Right now we're at our rehearsal space slash warehouse slash scene shop slash costume department, all of those kind of things. A day and a night. We arrived. It only took 20 years, but we arrived.
I grew up here in Albuquerque. At one point I was like, I want to move to New York and be an actor. But I met Doug and we started working with kids, and I found this to be so much more rewarding than like struggling in New York.
And then, right?
Yeah, the final would be that. So yeah.
We usually don't do violent things like that, but it's part of the story that we have to tell. So it's usually frogs and puppets, but
when in hell, do as the...
This is Hadestown, and it's about two lovers, and one of them goes to hell and the other one has to go get her. And tonight we're gonna be doing blocking, so we'll probably listen to some of the soundtracks and figure out who's gonna be where at what time. We're figuring those things out.
guys, I really need you guys to make big choices.
Okay.
Make some please big choices. Because I don't want to keep stopping like, hey, about this, okay? Mm-hmm. But then can't you feel it? Can't you feel like you're like here, yes. Right? Mm-hmm. This kind of thing, can't you feel that?
We're doing Hadestown Teen right now, and I'm really excited because this is the first time anybody in Albuquerque has done it. So it's very crazy, and I'm so excited. But I've been doing Cardboard Playhouse for almost 9 years now. I've been here for a very long time, and it's just so supportive, and it's like a whole family, and I love it all. Being in theater in general, it's taught me so many things. Like, I've just learned how to make friends. Like, I've learned how to just be expressive and learn how to roll over my mistakes and like just get over it. And so it's made me, I'd say it's made me a more interesting person.
So we have done on record over 100 shows. This is like our 103rd show, but we have done way more shows than that. And we have worked with thousands of artists, adults and children alike. We've worked with thousands and thousands of actors. And we decided to throw a little celebration.
We are getting ready to kick off our gala for our 20th anniversary celebration. The theme tonight is an evening in Emerald City, so everything's green and silver and glittery and fun.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Doug and Kristen. And I'm incredibly humbled to be up here. Any organization that makes 20 years is important. With that executive order from Office of the Mayor, whereas Cardboard Playhouse Theatre Company was founded in 2004 as Cardboard Playhouse Productions, and whereas today marks the beginning of the 20th anniversary celebration of its role as a vibrant creator of quality of life theater for the people of Albuquerque, and whereas Cardboard Playhouse Theatre Company was built on a passion for improv and children, fostering self-expression, confidence, and creativity through its improv-based programs, and whereas Cardboard Playhouse Theatre Company has produced over 100 shows, providing many hours of entertainment to Puertorriqueños of all ages, and whereas these productions have enriched the lives of youth and young adult performers, technicians, musicians, and directors throughout the city, and now therefore, Mayor of the City of Albuquerque hereby proclaim December 14, 2024, Cardboard Playhouse Theatre Company Day.
I think there is always a group of people that love telling stories, and there is another group that loves to hear stories. And so when we come together, There's nothing like it for all of us to come together in a dark space and let go of whatever's happening. Just be enthralled in the performance that's happening on stage.